Good morning, guys. Today we are going to learn chapter 1 of class 9 maths, which is number system. So, firstly, we are going to learn what is number system. Number system is a system of numbers. So, in the topic number system, we are first going to learn about the natural numbers. 1. So, natural number starts from 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, up till infinity. And natural numbers are denoted by the capital letter N. So the natural number is denoted by capital N, and natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and up till it goes up till infinity. So now we are going to learn about the whole numbers. So whole numbers start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till infinity, and whole number is represented by the capital letter W, and whole number starts from 0. So the smallest natural number is 1, and the largest natural number is infinity. As there are infinitely many numbers if we go ahead in the number system, so therefore the largest natural number is infinity. So same in the whole numbers, the smallest whole number is 0, as the whole number starts itself from 0, and the largest whole number is plus infinity. As you can see, it starts from 0 and it goes on, so there is no end at all, so we represent it by infinity, and therefore the largest whole number is infinity. So from the above two statements we can say that every natural number is a whole number. But as you can see that 1 is a natural number and it is present in the set of whole numbers. 2 is also a natural number which is present in whole number. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. So like this, each and every number present in natural number is also present in the whole numbers. So therefore every natural number is a whole number, but every whole number is not a natural number. As you can see that 0 is a whole number which is not a natural number. So therefore every whole number is not a natural number, but every natural number is a whole number. So as you know that there are the negative numbers also are there, like -1, -2, -3. So we cannot represent the negative numbers in the natural number set and the whole number set. So to represent the negative numbers, we have the third set of numbers which is called as integers, and it is represented by the capital letter Z. And the natural number and the integers have the negative numbers, like it starts from -infinity, -3, -2, -1, 0, and it has the positive numbers too, like 1, 2, 3, up till infinity. So the smallest integer is -infinity, and largest integer is plus infinity. As you can see that it has all the negative numbers and all the positive numbers. So from this three we can conclude that every natural number and whole number is an integer. As you can see that 1 is a natural number and which is an integer 2. 2 is a natural number and integer 2. And you can see that 0 is a whole number and an integer. 1 is a whole number, a natural number, and an integer. So therefore every natural number and whole number is an integer. As you can see, all the numbers in the whole number set is also present in the integer set. So therefore every natural number and a whole number is an integer, but every integer is not a natural number or a whole number. As you can see that in the integers have negative numbers like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, up to -infinity. But the natural numbers and the whole numbers don't have that, as the natural number itself starts from 1 and the whole number itself starts from 0. So therefore this both don't have a negative number, but the integers have. So therefore every natural number and a whole number is an integer, but every integer is not a natural number or a whole number. So till now we have learned about numbers like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and minus 1, 2, 3, 4. But there are also numbers like 2 by 3, 4 by 5, minus 5 by 6 or 6 by minus 5. So we cannot place these numbers in the above three set. So to represent these numbers, we have another collection of number which is also called as rational numbers. And it is denoted by the capital letter Q. And the rational numbers are always in the form of P by Q, and Q is not equal to 0, as there cannot be 0 in the denominator, so Q can never be 0. So therefore the rational numbers are represented in the P by Q form, and P and Q belongs to integer. So P and Q belong to integer, and Q is not equal to 0. So the examples of rational number are 2 by 3, 4 by 5, minus 4 by 5, minus 5 by 6, and so on. So the rational number starts from minus infinity and ends at positive infinity. So, and it has numbers like 0, 1, 3 by 2, 4 by 5, and etc. And in the negative side also it has minus 1, minus 3 by 2, minus 2, and so on. So therefore rational numbers have the fractional part and the integral part also. So from the above all four observations, we can say that every integer is a rational number. As you can see that rational integers have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and the rational numbers too have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus infinity, and the integers have 1, 2, 3. So here we can see that rational numbers to have 1, 2, 3 and infinity. So therefore every rational number, every integer is a rational number, but every rational number is not an integer. As you can see that rational numbers have minus 3 by 2, but if you see in the previous example, in the set of integers there is no fractional part. So therefore we can conclude that every integer is a rational number, but every rational number is not an integer. So now we are going to learn how to find the rational numbers between to find n number of rational numbers between any two numbers. So let's suppose take two numbers like 1 and 2. We have to find let's suppose 5 rational numbers. So to find the 5 rational numbers, we have to add 5 to 1, 5 plus 1 to get 6, and we have to write 1 equals 1 by 1 and 2 in the form of 2 by 1. We have to write the numbers in the P by Q form so that we can find to find the rational numbers between any two numbers. So we have got 6 here, 5 plus 1 equals 6. So we multiply 6 to 1 by 1 and 6 to 2 by 2. So when we multiply, we get 1 into 6 by 1 into 6 equals 6 by 6, and 2 into 6 by 1 into 6. Here we get 12 by 6. So from here, the 5 rational numbers between 6 by 6 and 12 by 6 are 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6, 10 by 6 and 11 by 6. These are the 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. So like this you can find n number of natural numbers between any two numbers by multiplying the number, by adding 1 to it and multiplying that number by to the numerator and denominator of that number. Now we take another example like 3 by 4 and 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. We have to find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. Let's find 6. So to find 6 rational numbers, we add 1 to 6 and we get 7. So we multiply the numerator and denominator by 7. So 3 into 7 by 5 into 7 equals 7 3s are 21 7 5s are 35, and we multiply 7 to numerator and denominator in this side also, so we get 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35. So these are the two rational numbers between which we have to find six rational numbers. So between 14 by 35 and 21 by 35, the rational numbers will be 15 by 35, 16 by 35, 17 by 35, 18 by 35, 19 by 35, 20 by 35. These are the six rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. So like this we can find five rational numbers, six rational numbers, or seven rational numbers between any two numbers. So now let's start the exercise 1.1. So here comes the exercise 1.1. Here is the first question. Is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0? So as I already told you that any number which can be written in p by q form is an rational number. So as we can write 0 as 0 by 1 or 0 by 2 or 0 by 3. So therefore 0 is a rational number. So and the examples of it are 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3. So these are the examples of the rational numbers formed by 0. So the answer is yes, 0 is a rational number and it can be written in the form of 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3 and so on. So the second now let's do the second question. The second question says that find six rational numbers between 3 and 4. So we have to find six rational numbers between 3 and 4. So as I have already told you, we have to write 3 in p by q form. So in the p by q form we can write 3 as 3 by 1 and 4 as 4 by 1. So we have to find six numbers. So we add 1 to 6 and we get 7, and we multiply 7 to the numerator and the denominator of 3 and 4. So we get 3 into 7 by 1 into 7, and which gives 7 3s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. And when we multiply 4 by 1 to 7 by 7, we get 7 4s are 28, 7 1s are 7. So these six natural numbers between 3 and 4 are from here we can see that 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7, 27 by 7. These are the six natural numbers between 3 and 4. So it was very much easy to find the rational numbers between any two numbers. So now let's start the question number 3. The question number 3 says that we have to find five rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So from here we write question number 3. So the numbers are 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. As we can see that these numbers are already written in p by q form and the denominator is also same. So therefore we have to find five rational numbers. We add 1 to 5 and we get 6. So we should multiply 6 to the numerator and denominator. So 3 into 6 by 5 into 6. So we get 6 3s are 18, 5 6 are 30, and 4, and we multiply 6 to 4 and 6 to 5. So from here we get 6 4s are 24 and 5 6 are 30. So we are here the five rational numbers between these two numbers are from here we can easily see that 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30. These are the five rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So the sequence goes like this: 3 by 5, 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30, 23 by 30 and 4 by 5. So like this we can find the rational numbers between any two numbers. So now comes the fourth question. State whether the following statement are true or false. Give reason for your answers. So as the first statement is every natural number is a whole number. As I already told you, natural number starts from 1 and they go to up till infinity, and the whole number start from 0 and they also go up till infinity. So you can see that every natural number is present in the set of whole numbers. So therefore every natural number is a whole number. So this was the part 1, and now comes the part 2, which says that every integer is a whole number. So as you know that integer is the set of all negative numbers and positive numbers, as it starts from minus infinity and minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up till infinity. And the whole numbers are starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and they go up till infinity. So the statement says that every integer is a whole number. As you can see that minus 3 is an integer but not a whole number, minus 2 is an integer but not a whole number. So from here we can say that this statement is false, as every integer is not a whole number. So this was the proof for that. So now this third statement is every rational number is a whole number. So as you know, rational number is represented by q, and rational number also starts from minus infinity and goes till infinity. And rational numbers have are in the p by q form. They have rational numbers and fractional part and the whole part, integral part also. So like these are the rational numbers, and this is the set of whole numbers. You can see that whole numbers start from 0 and ends at infinity. And if you see the rational numbers, they have the minus numbers. The whole number doesn't have any minus number. And the rational numbers have the fractional part, like 5 by 2, 6 by 3 and 7 by 2. But the whole numbers don't have that part. The whole numbers are 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore we can conclude that every rational number is not a whole number. So therefore this statement was also true. So check the answers. Every natural number is a whole number is a true statement. Every integer is a whole number is a false statement. And every rational number is a whole number is also a false statement. So thank you for watching this video. We'll have another part. So see the next video for exercise 1.2. And please, if you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.